Well, I used to love Dantadan films earlier as well, but it's just that Dantadan.
अपन तो आए कॉमेडी से वाई
That's true.
Yeah.
अपनी तो एंट्री उधर से हुई
But in our own
ये एक्चुअली
ways.
चिपका है मेरे ऊपर बहुत कुछ इंटेंस जो है ना मामला.
Yeah,
Serious
that's
intense, हाँ.
exactly. That's
I love you.
But
Universe.
let me tell you that I can be seriously funny.
हमारे उस पे से टैग निकाल दीजिए, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं.
There was a time that I could read a script backwards and know कि last 10 pages में मेरे 2 crying scenes तो जरूर होंगे.
Shaker Home. It's based on Arthur Doyle's work, right? So the trailer looks quite interesting. Okay, with one episode, we'll have one case. It seems like yeah. So we have the spy universe happening, and now a lot of detective series are coming up and all of that. And we used to have that some years ago, but बीच में ऐसा था कि मसाला 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 करेंगे. अब वापस से थोड़ा fun intellectual stuff is also coming up. So rise of that genre. What do you think about it?
This is for the pundits to analyze. I mean, if you were to analyze films and what is masala, कितना masala है, कौन से brand का masala है, and all that stuff, I wouldn't be able to really elaborate on that. All I can say is that as long as a film is interesting and it kind of doesn't abuse the senses, it's fine for me. That's my
Abuse
take.
your senses, you said. Okay.
Yeah, that's it. I mean, what you see, if I can't put it more politely, so let me just put it then. So that's about it. No, I have nothing against Dantadan films. I have nothing against, I call them Dantadan films. I have nothing against anti-gravity films. But my only problem is that as long as you make it believable, I'm there to watch. I feel like watching it. I don't care if it's a science fiction or whatever. I don't believe in realism as such. It's for more, it has to be believable. That's it. Realism is a myth as far as cinema is concerned, because the moment you have realism is a
Real
function.
can look
Yeah,
fake.
yeah. No, it's a function of space and time. The moment you shift that, then you lost realism. So the moment you have a department like editing, there is nothing called real. Cut to, you're going somewhere else. So idea is to make it as believable as possible, so that you can even make a science fantasy, you know. But just make it believable. Don't betray your own logic of that world. If I were to hit the floor and the car goes up, perhaps it doesn't happen on the earth. You know, it happens perhaps in Mars or somewhere. So it becomes non-believable for me. So as long as you're keeping within that and giving me the logic that this guy is so powerful, like Superman, that he can do that, I'm fine with it. So similarly, that's my whole
So must
take
be
on.
difficult for you to watch the content right now? The kind of Dhantadang films that are coming.
No, I do. I used to love Dantadan films earlier as well, but it's just that
Dantadan,
Dantadan. So I love those films. It's just that there has to be some semblance of not like एक बचकाना नहीं होना चाहिए. You know, no, ऐसे ना फिर वो कूदा ना, फिर इसको मारा ना, फिर इसको should be like it should be have some kind of intelligence to it to put it together. And as far as the platforms and things like that goes, as long as, see, every platform that you talk about, whether cinema, television, OTT, whatever you want to talk about, in itself, there's a certain sanctity to it. That platform is not your enemy, the platform is not bad. How you use that platform depends on that particular human being. So, for us to really sit and analyze, there are good films, there are bad films, there are good series, bad series. Everything has good and bad, so it's all up to the human being to do it.
The rise of the genre, that detective genre जो अभी वापस आ रहा है. So, and because you all are part of Shaker Home, so what do you have to say about the rise of the genre that is? Because we also have, you know, spy universe happening. This. So,
the spy and the detective genre is slightly different, and I have enjoyed both actually. And I mean, if this show is going to lead to the rise of the detective genre, like you're saying, I hope it does, because the genre I have completely enjoyed. I think one of my favorite films is Shonar Killa, which is about Feluda. You know, so it's nice. I totally enjoy it. So if you've done a good job and that catches on, and it takes away from the current, I think, obsession is maybe with crime.
Yeah.
So that would be nice.
See, my point is, if you're saying the rise of the detective genre is now going to happen with Shaker Home, that nothing
no,
will be
not
more-
with, but there are also a lot of stuff that is coming up
So
now.
my point is
instead-
now that the OTT space is kind of consolidating, I'm glad that instead of any trash, where people are going out of their way to seek out good material and adapt it and work on it Because yes, I want to see all kinds of stories. I am happy, like KK said, whether it's masala, whether it's genre, whether it's avant-garde or whatever cutting edge. Like he said, plausibility, convincing the audience, drawing them in. Is it tight on the language of cinema? That is what matters. So as different kind of genres coming, most welcome, because I honestly, you know, for me as a viewer, it's a treat to have different kind of stories.
I personally love the detective genre, and yes, I think in the last 3, 4, 5 years, बहुत सारी चीज़ें, like when you open any platform these days, there's a lot of investigative detective stuff, which I personally absolutely enjoy watching. Also, I like the humor also, like Sherlock Holmes is one of my favorite things, actually speaking, you know. So yeah, I totally love that world, that genre, what all is possible with it, and I love it. I absolutely love it.
You know, all four of you all are considered as very good actors, and I agree. I love you all. Your
Thank
work
you.
is really
Like
good.
all of you are considered as good actors, but
But I love you all. That is the point.
meant
right?
and
Thank
I
you,
love
Komal. That's really sweet of you.
Yeah.
No, so you know, when it's always like good actors को good अच्छा काम मिलता है, good actors get good work. So in that, at times, do you think you all miss out on light and funny stuff, and is it challenging at times, because then, you know, intense work, people want to keep watching you all on intense stuff. Does that happen?
मेरे लिए तो good work में light work matters as much as intense work.
I think as long as we are having fun with whatever work we are doing, and we love what we are doing, I think it's a perfect way to lead your life.
Yeah, but I would really love to experiment more with comedy, because women in central roles in comedic material is very rare.
क्यों लूट केस में
And
किया था इतना अच्छा तूने?
Central roles,
अबे बीवी का रोल है, इससे तो सेंट्रल क्या और जो उसमें?
but something like Veep, for
सारे-
example.
हाँ?
I have something.
Something like Veep. And that's something I really want to experiment.
Producer just
with.
said
We've made a pact.
Actually,
right?
you know, actually,
Contract
I do
cloud.
have something
I think you do a
genuinely.
good job as we.
Yeah.
है ना? See?
आई थिंक ये जो परसेप्शन है ना कि अच्छे एक्टर्स सिर्फ सीरियस रोल्स अच्छे करते हैं या इंटेंस रोल्स अच्छे करते हैं, ये ज़्यादा लोगों का परसेप्शन है. दिस इज़ नॉट ट्रू फॉर एक्टर्स, एंड अनफॉर्चुनेटली गुड एक्टर्स गेट स्टक इन दैट कि उनको फिर वो सारे सीरियस इंटेंस रोल्स ही आते हैं.
अपन तो आए कॉमेडी से वाई,
दैट्स ट्रू.
Yeah.
अपनी तो एंट्री उधर से हुई.
So, but I think we are all capable of comedy as much, and I think we have all you know, experimented with comedy in our own
ये एक्चुअली
ways.
चिपका है मेरे ऊपर बहुत कुछ. Intense जो है ना मामला.
Yeah,
Serious
that's
intense, हाँ.
exactly that's.
I love you.
But
Universal.
let me tell you that I can be seriously funny.
Yeah.
he can.
Yeah.
I can vouch for
Which
that.
I think Shekhar Home is
Seriously?
probably, you know,
Shekhar
you will
Home
see
is
him in a
that.
very different
Yeah,
route.
in fact,
you know?
even in Shekhar Home
Yeah,
you'll see a different.
exactly.
You'll see this.
So ये हमारे उस पे से टैग निकाल दीजिए, हम सब कुछ कर सकते हैं. And मौका, you know, it's about giving us an opportunity, and I think there are directors, there are who can actually see beyond this, and they can see what else you can, you know, what all you can do, and I think those are the directors we want to
bunch
work
of
with. I
people
want to
sitting
work
here,
with.
I think we are all very serious about our work.
Yeah.
But we don't
And
take
that's why
ourselves
we are
very,
called serious actors.
But we don't take ourselves very seriously. I don't think any of us takes
Yeah.
ourselves very seriously, you know, as
Yeah.
to, oh, I am.
There was
मेरी
a,
एंट्री हो रही है अभी यहाँ
there
पे.
was a time that I could read a script backwards and know कि last 10 pages में मेरे 2 crying scenes तो ज़रूर होंगे.
Yeah.
Has that changed? It changed.
It has.
It has a little
has,
of that
yeah.
femme fatale has happened.
You look good, so good.
When I
crying.
cry,
Cry, no?
oh,
रो दो.
that's why you make sure I do them.
Oh, Ranveer, I want to ask you one question.
Ji.
Is there a Big Boss OTT hangover right now?
Yeah, there is.
And coming out of it today, I mean, you know, at the show you kept on saying work nahi hai, and now suddenly you're promoting. It's a beautiful feeling for us to see. So how is
Let
it for
me
you?
put it like this, Komal. If this thing was scheduled before I went in, I probably wouldn't have gone. But like I said, even in my intro interviews, which is that I had not only had no offers, the only other offer I had was also a reality TV show. Not only did I have no offers, a lot of stuff that I had shot was not releasing.
Yeah.
So you know that can be quite frustrating for you, because like Rasika was saying, जो अगर आपका काम release होगा तो ही आपको नया काम offer होगा. So I was kind of in a you know chakka jam situation, And second, this also I've repeatedly said, my son was traveling at the time. Otherwise, I would not take a show like this where I can't be in touch with my family. And what the hell, you know, I've done reality shows before. I thought, चलो क्या है, देखते हैं.
Good experience.
देख लिया,
New
वापस नहीं जाना.
experience.